Pacman Pacquiao!
Wobbly. I'm watching his legs. He's trying to get his legs back. He's trying to get his legs back.
Ladies and gentlemen, two-time WBO welterweight champion of the world. 7 victories, 38 wins by knockout. He's the fighting pride of the Philippines. A record 8 division world champion, the reigning and defending two-time WBO. From Sarangani Province, Philippines, tonight he is the challenger, the legendary, the challenger, the fighting pride of the Philippines, 8-time world champion. Round of boxing for the WBO welterweight championship of the world.
Manny Pacman Pacquiao!
Across the ring, the defending world champion, fighting out of the red corner, wearing pink trunks with blue and gold trim, joining us from the beautiful city of San Antonio, Texas. He weighed in at 139 and 1/2 pounds. He is undefeated in his campaign to the ring with a record of 26 wins, no losses, 17 wins coming by way of knockout. Tonight, making the second defense of his title, ladies and gentlemen, here is the undefeated, reigning and defending WBA Super Lightweight Champion of the World, introducing Mario El Azteca Barrios.
So far, but I'm liking more Ramos.
Ang pagbagsak ni Mario Barrios sa kamay ng alamat na si Manny Pacquiao. Kahit na matanda na at marami man ang agam-agam, si Manny Pacquiao ay alamat pa rin at andyan pa rin ang lakas at bilis na 4 na dekadang hinangaan sa mundo ng boxing. Kaya tagilid at bagsak lang ang sasapitin ng kanyang kalaban na si Mario Barrios. Subscribe.
It is crazy, but you know, one thing is Manny is special.
Ang pagbabalik ni Manny Pacquiao, ang hari ng pound for pound sa mundo ng boxing, kalaban ng isa sa batang kampyon ng welterweight division.
One thing about certain legends in this game, think Bernard Hopkins, who fought into a very late age, sometimes they can reproduce magic for one night.
Sa edad na 46 anyos, andyan pa rin ang lakas at bilis ng alamat na si Manny Pacquiao. Ngunit sa pagtanda ng kanyang katawan, rumurupok na ang buto at bumabagal na ito. Kaya marami ang agam-agam kung kakayanin pa ba ng pambansang kamao ang kanyang makakalaban na si Mario Barrios, isang Mexican-American na kampyon ng WBC welterweight division. Kaya narito ang updated na boxing status at breakdown ng mga talaan ni Pacquiao at Mario Azteca Barrios.
I'm a little bit baffled because it feels a bit surreal to be talking about Manny Pacquiao coming back and fighting again in a serious contest against a young stud who's a world champion.
May paglalagyan din talaga si Mario Barrios pag tinamaan ng kamao ni Pacman dahil ilang beses din itong napabagsak ng kalaban. Simulan natin sa kanyang huling 5 naging laban. At sino ba talaga si Barrios? Paano siya naging WBC welterweight champion?
Barrios, of all the title holders that are out there, is probably the easiest one.
That was the last time you're going to see Mario face to face till you guys are in the ring. Do you have any last words for him?
Keep your hands up, protect yourself at all times, because he was about to get knocked the F out.
Ang una sa huling 5 laban ni Barrios ay noong February 5, 2022. Pagkatapos matalo ni Thurman kay Pacquiao, nilabanan siya ni Mario Barrios.
Now he's on shaky feet. Barrios wobbles someone. Firing back to the very end. In favor of the winner, Keith One Time.
Pagkatapos niya matalo kay Turman isang taon makalipas, nilabanan ni Barrios si Giovanni Santiago at siya ay nanalo ng round 8 TKO.
He looked very poised last night. He looked determined last night. Like, I'm coming off of 2 straight losses, but that's not me. I'm not a loser. And I think he completely proved that last night.
Back in front of your home fans, how does it feel?
Oh man, it feels amazing. It was taking me a while, to get that groove, to get that rhythm again. But once I did, man, I felt great.
6 na buwan makalipas, ang tumalo kay Pacquiao na si Ugas ay tinalo at ilang beses na pinabagsak sa ibabaw ng lona ni Mario Barrios.
This is a huge overhand right. Second straight here, number 2.
Basically, the Mexican fighter outboxed the Cuban Olympian,
Huge job, jab. Puts Ugas down.
Naging WBC welterweight champion si Mario Barrios dito.
Mario El Azteca Barrios.
If he moves up and you get through your fight successfully, a lot of people are calling for you to be his next opponent. Would you welcome that opportunity?
I would welcome any opportunity, but I mean, especially that one.
Ang pinakahuling panalo ni Mario Barrios ay kontra sa pinakamagaling na kapatid ni Marcos Maidana na si Fabian Maidana.
Still going there with bad intentions, still going there with a smart fighter, but I'm never afraid to sit there and bang it out.
Maidana just trying to survive right now here with 15 seconds left in the 7th.
Oh shit, they're going at it.
And still champion Mario El Azteca.
Ang pinakahuling naging laban ni Mario Barrios ay kontra kay Abel Ramos na nauwi sa tabla ang resulta ng laban dahil binigay din talaga ang lahat ng makakaya ng kanyang naging kalaban. Walang imposible kay Manny Pacquiao. Kukunin niya talaga ang green belt ni Barrios. Walang problema sa kanya ang tangkad na diferensya at 16 years old na gap sa edad nila.
Barrios is a young fighter, bigger fighter, knows how to, control distance very well, can punch a little bit. Like, he's no easy task for anybody in the welterweight division.
Fight a young, hungry, champion, world champion like Barrios.
And again, I'm worried that he's going to get hurt badly.
What do you think of Barrios? He's a big, strong, young, steady. You have 16 years on here, Manny. Don't worry about it.
It is crazy, but one thing is Manny is special.
Sa side ni Pacquiao, ang huling 5 kanyang laban, 3 panalo at 2 talo. Isa sa mga talo na ito noong 2017 ay masasabi talagang nadaya si Pacman.
I sat in my living room and I watched Manny Pacquiao lose to somebody named Jeff Horn from Australia.
Yeah.
Remember this?
Yeah, I do.
And
I thought he beat him though.
Did you?
Yeah.
Jeff Horn's face is an absolute mess. Swollen, blood-soaked, blood streaming from the cut. Left hand after left hand after left hand. And no! Oh my!
Are they are those officials from Australia? Are they from Australia? I mean, what did we just see? It's a horrible decision. Horrible.
Listen, congratulations, great effort. I thought you lost, but great effort. I thought this guy was landing the punches. You were throwing a lot that were missing.
Makalipas lang ang 1 taon, muling lumaban si Pacman para patunayan ang kanyang pangalan. Si Lucas Matisi, ang pinakamahusay ng boxer ng Argentina, ay na-KO ng ating kababayan.
That's going to be a really good fight because Pacquiao is not the same Pacquiao he was even when I fought him.
I've been reading the book of Manny Pacquiao for 23 years. Is this just another outrageous chapter, or is this the ending?
So Pacquiao is going to have a very hard time with Lucas Matisse group, and that Lucas Matisse might end Pacquiao's career.
When someone asks you a challenge and say your time is up, how does that make you feel?
It wasn't so much the power of the punch, but he got me right in the eye and I went blind.
At this point of his career, Manny should go out fighting whoever he wants to fight. He deserves it.
He's gonna be a world champ for a long time. He's gonna get some more champs. He'll get them all. He'll fight the biggest.
I hear they want me to fight Pacquiao next.
Make some noise.
Si Adrian Broner ang sumunod na kalaban. Hindi rin biro ang boksingerong ito dahil ito yung pinakahambog na boksingero na nakilala ko.
Y'all got me f***ed up if y'all think I'm about to lose to Manny Pacquiao, man. I'm about to beat his ass on God now.
Broner knows what he's doing, very calculated in his mind. However, you can have a big bark, but do you have the bite?
And you always wonder if this is going to be the night that he shows his age.
The Broner fight was the most predictable thing in the world. It was predictable because Broner's never been busy enough.
And Broner here now looks like he's in a bit of trouble.
What was wrong with Adrian Broner post-fight saying he won that fight against Pacquiao? Hell no, he did not.
And still WWE welterweight champion of the world, Manny Pacquiao.
To watch a 40-year-old man be victorious in that ring on that night, he is inspiration to many, including myself. I'm inspired right now. I'm just inspired to beat him up.
What time, Thurman?
Makalipas ang 6 na buwan, ang napakahambog na tumalo kay Barrios na si Thurman ay walang tigil na binasto si Pacman, pero ito ay kanyang pinagsisihan dahil bugbog at pinabagsak siya ng ating kababayan.
Manny Pacquiao has T-Rex arms. I don't know if you noticed that. He got these little T-Rex arms. He had a hard time beating up Jeff Horn. He thinks he's going to beat up Keith Thurman. You know, I mean...
Pacquiao. Oh, down goes Thurman!
And let me tell you, that was just a quick punch.
It was a surprise for him to even get knocked, dropped down like that. But the hand speed, the angles, the movement that Manny was taking, he would have beat anybody that night.
Pacquiao's moving around like a 22-year-old, Lennox.
That always precedes, and oh boy.
In favor of the winner, boxing's pride of the Philippines, the ageless wonder, Manny Pacquiao!
Obviously, we want to send well wishes to Errol Spence Jr., who underwent surgery on Wednesday. And for you, a different opponent sits to my left.
Dapat si Spence Jr. pero si Ugas ang pinalit na kalaban. Natalo si Pacquiao dito dahil alam naman natin ang galawan ni Spence Jr. ang pinaghandaan ni Pacquiao at nagpalala pa ang nangyari sa binti ni Pacquiao na nigas ito sa gitna ng laban.
You're adjusting now to facing a new opponent on 11 days notice, right? Was there any conversation between you and Freddie on whether you should cancel, whether you should postpone? Because this is a risk, right?
Here we go, round number 1, Manny Pacquiao and your Dennis Ugas.
And even at this age of 42, we somehow expect him to defy time the way he's done physical size.
These past 6 years I've really been, hitting my stride, and I don't think Manny Pacquiao can knock me out.
I'll tell you what that is. That's a great right Cuban hook. It's not straight, but it's not a hook. It comes around your glove, and Manny's not ready for that punch.
Tonight, I saw Manny Pacquiao attacking in straight lines, and Ugas saw every single shot.
Ugas doesn't have the feet that Manny has, but Manny's not using them right.
Yeah, Pacquiao is not moving around the ring. You're right, not mobile here at his age.
And still champion, your
How will this performance influence your decision to either come back to the ring or retire?
Right now, probably thinking about retirement.
Did you ever think you would see Manny Pacquiao in a matchup like this?
Pagkatapos ng kanyang pagre-retiro, makikita ang galawan ni Pacman na hindi nawala sa kanyang mga exhibition fight. Natalo niya ang matangkad at mas batang kalaban, kaya may paglalagyan talaga si Mario Barrios na kanyang kalaban.
It's moments away from possibly being stopped. Manny Pacquiao hammered away upon DKU.
Malinaw na natalo niya ang dalawa, matangkad at mas batang kalaban. Kahit matanda na si Manny Pacquiao, ang atletismo at bilis ay nananatili pa rin.
Pacquiao started getting hit with shots he would never got hit with early in his career, Skip, or say 5 years ago.
I think the biggest part of why people maybe not completely poo-pooing this or going 46 years old, what are we doing? This is another Mike Tyson-Jake Paul fight. No, it's not. Because Barrios, although a champion, he's got flaws. We've seen him lose on the pay-per-view level before.
We're not dwelling on the fact that, we took the first loss. But we're gonna continue on growing from this, in every way that we can.
Kaya sa aking paningin, si Mario Barrios ay papagapangin lang ni Pacman. Ala ka man o hindi, na kaya pa ni Manny Pacquiao na makapagpabagsak ng kalaban. Pues ito ang perpektong halimbawa. Mas matanda pa kay Pacquiao si Toshihiko Ira ng Japan. Sa edad na 50 anyos ay nakapagpabagsak pa ng mas batang kalaban. Isa pang former world title challenger ang kanyang tinalo na si Conrad Snatapek sa loob lamang ng round 3.
ญี่ปุ่นครับโอ้โหลำตัวครับโดนจังๆครับยุติการแข่งขัน
Si Manny Pacquiao ay talagang sinagad ang limitadong kakayahan ng katawan. Nakita natin ito noong talunin niya ang mas batang kalaban na si Keith Thurman. Sa edad na 41 anyos, sagad ang kanyang training upang matalo ang kampyon at gagawin ulit niya yung ginawa niya noon ngayon.
Manny Pacquiao has T-Rex arms. I don't know if you noticed that. He's got these little T-Rex arms. He had a hard time beating up Jeff Horn. He thinks he's going to beat up Keith Thurman.
Pacquiao. Oh, down goes Thurman! And let me tell you, that was just a quick punch.
It was a surprise for him to even get dropped down like that, but the hand speed, the angles, the movement that Manny was taking, he would have beat anybody that night.
Pacquiao's moving around like a 22-year-old, Lennox. That always precedes and oh boy.
In favor of the winner, boxing's pride of the Philippines, the ageless wonder, Manny Pacquiao!
Sa kabilang banda, ang kanyang makakalaban ay isang mas batang kampyon, mas malakas at mas gutom sa tagumpay, si Mario El Azteca Barrios. Hindi siya nandito para sa respeto. Andito siya para bugbugin at pabagsakin ang pambansang kamao. Gagawa daw siya ng pangalan sa ibabaw ni Pacquiao.
Here, I'm ready. I'm the champion for a reason, and this is a huge fight. It could be fight of the year.
Ang tanong ng karamihan, may natitira pa ba kay Pacquiao upang magpabagsak ng kalaban? Tinalo ni Pacquiao si Thurman na tumalo naman kay Barrios. Tinalo ni Barrios si Ugas na tumalo naman kay Pacquiao. Pero alam nating lahat ang dahilan kung bakit natalo si Pacquiao kay Ugas, dahil sa pagkramping ng kanyang mga binti, bunsod na maling conditioning.
The problem to me because I didn't make an adjustment right away, and also my legs tight.
Kaya kapag tinalo ni Pacquiao si Barrios, ito ang pinakamalaking ingay na gagawin niya sa boxing at sa mundo ng sport. At kung hindi ka pa rin kumbinsido, ay ipapakita ko sa iyo ang huling dalawang laban ni Pacquiao na kahit hindi siya nag-ensayo ay pinabagsak niya pa rin at binugbog ang mga ito. Ang una niyang binangga ay si DKU ng Korea. Napakalaki nito at martial artist pa. Sobrang lakas, sobrang tibay ng katawan, malabakal ang kamao at binti nito. Pero ilang beses din itong bumagsak at pinaglaruan lang ng ating pambato. Manny Pacquiao versus DKU. This is round number 1. Napakalaki ng kalaban ni Manny Pacquiao dito mga kaibigan. Makikita natin dito mga kaibigan na wala nang dayat-dayat ang kanyang kalaban. Ayun, binugbog agad ni Manny. Simpleng suntok lang yun, oh. Grabe. Ininda agad na DKU mga kaibigan ang lakas ni Pacquiao. Sinayaw-sayawan lang ni Pacquiao. Tapos ang round 1. Nag-uumpisa pa lang ang round 2 dito. Pero mukhang hinihingal na yung DKU. Sobrang nag-aalala na siya sa sobrang lakas ng pambansang kamao.
Popularity is the same, if not as increased as his 44 on December 17th. There was a straight left that missed. Good movement by DKU. There by Bucket. And he landed that left that hit our second frame. We understood that he's going to come in heavier because of the fact that DKU was going to wait in a higher weight. So he got the same age as the fourth. One of those big bombs that put Pete Thurman on the...
Round number 3, unti-unti nang nararamdaman ng kalaban ang sobrang lakas ni Pacman, kaya hirap na siyang makipagsabayan.
Not have his place in the international him to be able to have the biggest moment of history. There's a left there by. Let's see if Nunu decides to tag when he grips the body. Ooh, still blinding fast. So nice. So polite, I love it. When inside the ring, I think DK may have him beat. Right, who's nicer?
Dito mga kaibigan, kahit may edad na si Pacman ay napakatindi pa rin ang kanyang galawan. Bugbog Berna na ang kanyang Koreanong kalaban. Grabe yung mga kamaong pinakawalan niya, halos tumalikod ang Koreano. Ibang klase talaga ang ating pambansang kamao. Bugbog Berna dito ang Koreanong kalaban. Bugbog, grabe oh! Suntok sa... Ayun, natapos ang round, sayang. Bugbog Berna ng kalaban. Round number 4, sobrang natakot talaga ang Koreano sa sobrang lakas ng kamao ng ating pambansang kamao.
Round 4 scheduled for 6. Manny Pacquiao, DKU. That means Flames are going with him. The Flames are going to be the first to go. There's that right hook upstairs by Manny Pacquiao. Yeah, there's 4. You could train for martial arts as well and think that you're in great condition, but when you start going by boxing rules and boxing technique and having to stick to that, it's exhausting. Look at that. Manny.
Grabe ang nangyari dito sa martial artist oh. Halos di na makahinga. Sobrang hingal at pagod na siya. At binugbog na siya ng ating bida.
Goes down and they're ruling it a slip. So sad right to prolong it some time. And now here's it down goes DKU. And this one.
Nasa round number 5 na tayo mga kaibigan. Napabagsak ni Pacman ang kanyang kalaban. Hingal na ito at hirap ng lumaban.
That is hilarious. Well, DK's got to do something, and he's getting hammered with that left. There's a right over all every left. It's moments away from possibly being stopped. Manny Pacquiao hammered away by DKU.
Sa sobrang takot ng Koreano kay Pacman, pinahinto niya muna ang laban para makapagpahinga siya ng tuluyan.
Prolong some time. And now Manny Pacquiao going right after DKU. DKU could barely. He left the rest out of the way. There's a right followed by a left from Manny Pacquiao. He was knocked down at the end of the fourth, stayed down, and just wants to go the distance. Oh, there.
Sa pag-uumpisa ng round number 6, hingal na ang Koreano. Hirap na ito at parang ayaw na niyang lumaban sa ating pambansang kamao.
May seem like an eternity for DKU. I think DKU is trying to find a way to survive. Will Manny Pacquiao have to do so? Now they are wrestling Johnson for position. Is by Manny Pacquiao. Will he be able to go the distance with the 8th Division World Champion Manny Pacquiao? Now he's back to Louis against Dorian lives his end times of his career. Down goes DKU again. And he rolled in a slip. Are you kidding me?
Nanalo si Manny Pacquiao sa impresibong pamamaraan at muli niyang binigyan kasiyahan ang lahat ng boxing fans. Ang pinakahuling laban ni Pacman ay kontra sa 7-footer MMA fighter ng Japan na si Rukiya Anpo. Kung ihahambing mo nga ang agwat ng laki ng katawan nila ay nagmistulang batang bubuwit si Pacquiao sa sobrang liit ng katawan. David and Goliath ang magaganap na laban. Bukod sa napakalaki at napakatangkad, sobrang lakas din ni Anpo. Marami na siyang pinatumbang kalaban gamit ang paa at kamao. Sa laban nila ni Pacquiao, nakakatama naman si Anpo, pero halatang halata dito na mas nabugbog siya dahil sobrang bilis at lakas pa rin ng ating pambansang kamao. Malinaw dito na si Manny Pacquiao ay may ibubuga pa rin sa ibabaw ng ring. Sa kabila ng kanyang edad na 46 anyos ay kaya pa rin magpabagsak ng kalaban sa ibabaw ng ring. Manalo man o matalo, si Manny Pacquiao ay hindi na matatawaran ang ginawang sakripisyo, ang mga binigay na karangalan sa mga Pilipino. Siya ang buhay na kayamanan sa perlas ng silangan. Pinatunayan niya na walang imposible sa ating mga kababayan. Si Manny Pacquiao ay hindi na matatawaran ang ginawang sakripisyo at pagdadala ng karangalan sa mga Pilipino. Ipagdasal po natin sa laban ang ating pambansang kamao. Mahalin mo ang iyong kapwa katulad ng pagmamahal mo sa iyong sarili at mahalin mo ang Diyos nang higit sa iyong sarili. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.